Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. Let's see what we've got today. Okay, so let's see where we are. In the DJPY, Euro GBP. Okay, let's start with NZDJPY. We are still in a range here, so like I said, I still expect price to basically break below this point first, and once it does, I'd expect it to come back up, give us a nice entry, and then tank from there. And this is just using the daily zone. So for now, I don't think I'd focus on it. I'd give it a bit of time to keep moving, and then we'll pick a nice entry and take it from there. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. This is still a valid setup, although we do have another one that's forming, but we would need price to actually go beyond this candle first, 858381, and then from there we can pick a nice setup along this range, and if we refine it, we would find a good entry right here, and then our setup would look like that, going all the way to this entry point. So this is what we are looking at on Euro GBP, and like I said, you have to wait for price to break this 85381 first. You can't just get it now. That would not be good for you. So this is what we are looking at, and this one is still valid as well, so just keep at it, and then we'll see just how far it goes. Okay, so that's where we are on Euro GBP. And then UCAD. UCAD, we are looking at, there's a lot of imbalances here. We did have a nice break POS over here, but now this zone here is a bit of a concern to me. So I think for now, I wouldn't even touch UCAD until we have a nice break on this key zone. So that's what I would wait for, because I do see these over here, which are an indication of some price moves all the way to the bottom side soon. And if you do hop onto a lower time frame, maybe you could see something happening along these lanes. We saw this happening, the BOS happening, and then we see that, so we had this break, retrace, creating that. So we'll probably have an entry. This is a lower time frame, by the way, so you would want to have a very tight stop, which means your spreads have to be pretty good. So we had that, price came back out, so you'd want it to go below 7968, and once it does go below that, have a tail away in this region, and a refined one, of course, and have something along these lanes, of course going all the way down to those imbalances. So we have something along these lanes, and that's taken from a 15-minute. So we just have to be very careful how we approach it and take it from there. So probably go halfway through this imbalance or even lower. So that's how I'd approach UCAD on a 15 and how to approach it on an hourly. And then gold, looking at the hourly, price came back into that region and tanked again. So for now, I actually don't think I'll touch gold. There's just a lot happening with gold right now. Moving to the side here. And just remove these. Okay, so with gold, I wouldn't touch it for now because I'm expecting it to actually get into this, into the zone, trigger a buy, and then go to the top. So if I do approach bearish setup, I'd be too close to this idea, which would basically run out invalid, and it's from a bigger time frame. So that's how I would approach the gold, and that's about it for the day. So this one is still valid, so you should have this set up from, I think it's yesterday, if not Tuesday. So still valid, keep an eye on it, and then let's see how it plays out. Okay, so happy trading, guys. Let's manage the risk. And to all the premium guys, I'll be forwarding a video of the full analysis of all the pairs. If you haven't checked out the bootcamp, check it out. If you don't have our premium signals, check it out as well. Happy trading, guys.